When there are bad lighting conditions while trying to take a photo in the camera on iPhone 16e, then we will activate the night mode automatically, or the phone will turn it on automatically. Over here in the top left corner we have this icon that looks like a moon, so we can tap on it in order to turn off the night mode. Of course, let's say if we turn it on, as you can see, if the night mode is activated, we can see how many seconds it will take to actually capture a photo. But if we deactivate it, then it doesn't really matter, as you can see, because the night mode is disabled by then. And you can also find it by swiping up, so you can swipe up on, for example, on the preview in order to reveal those additional options. You can tap on this icon here in order to, for example, turn it off, set it to maximum 1 second or more. Of course, this depends on how bad the lighting conditions are. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!